thinking
Black
y'all
box,
talking about
bitch. Take it back to the
struggle
can game, bitch. Like, yeah. Hoover. Nigga, you hear me? Young and dumb, Mafia, East Side, my hometown. I know a lot of y'all be seeing me out there in VR, but bitch, I'm from that beat, you heard me? Believe that. East Side, moving
Like
there.
that one.
To be exact, yeah. Just like that. And I got that jewel house too. A lot of people ain't much got this shit down here. I got this shit for free. You hear me? Got that jewel house, that Booster New line. I got that shit for free.
And we still take change on our side too. We the land, what a deadly combination. Got the rap game on lock and I forgot the combination. I'm the hot topic in every conversation. I'm the hottest in my state and I ain't in a situation. Hold up, turn the beat up, I'm about to beat the beat up. Press a 337, I just had to kick my feet up. East side beats up, that beat like we up. From uptown to old town, gonna rap the street ride. Pull up on Mixtape Street, welcome home Harry. It's been a minute, we miss you when you were gone, Harry. Pull up on Fresno Street, welcome home, Harry. It's been a minute, we miss you when you were home, Harry. The streets miss me, the streets miss me, the streets miss me. They miss a real nigga. The streets miss me, the streets miss me, the streets miss me. They only gon' miss a real nigga. Realest in my section, east side, ain't gotta rep it, boy. I'm really with it, been stepping since we was 7. Outside, baby, it's wild with that 380, 337, 187 with a Mac 11. Been a general since I was 11 with a tray 57. Me be money riding down your street, do all that ripping out. And if he just reach for it, we gon' stretch him out. Don't give him time to pull his weapon out. We country boys and we ain't tryna make our section hot. So if a nigga disrespect it, bring it to his block. And if a nigga really flexin', we go hit a spot and bring it home to the block and open up shop. Pull up on Crofton Street, welcome home, Harry. It's been a minute, we miss you when you was gone, Harry. Pull up on B Street, welcome home, Harry. It's been a minute, we miss you when you went home, Harry. The streets miss me, the streets miss me, the streets miss me. They miss a real nigga. The streets miss me, the streets miss me, yeah. The streets miss me, they only gon' miss a real. Remember me from this crooked day with the braids, now I'm fucking you.
Purchase your high quality and high instrumental station.
Yeah, remember me from this crooked day with the braids, now I'm fucking you.